Hello friend, welcome back. So in the last video we created our connect 4 piece struct, right? And we can refactor this part by creating an enum of player. Okay, so we did that in our chess project. Okay, now let's do it for connect 4 game. New file, so script file create connect 4 player, yeah, and let's put it here. So the data type is enum like that. So connect 4 player, yeah, case and just two cases, case red and the case yellow, yeah. So now we'll use this data type instead of a boolean in our connect 4 piece. Okay, so use connect command B to trigger the completion connect. Okay, now it's here player. Okay, wait, command B again. It will fail somewhere. Is it board view? Yeah. So we don't have is red. Okay, so how can we? Oh, wait a minute, let's go back here. Yeah, piece. So yeah, we need to rename this guy. Let's see, command click rename, so we can just use player here, rename. Now let's go back to the board view to see. Oh, sorry about that, because better don't try to use rename feature of Xcode when it doesn't compile. Okay, so I have an idea. We can undo this part. Yeah, now command B, it compiles, right? So now we can rename this guy to player. You see, now we can change this to connect 4 player and go back to here and command B. Okay, now we can use connect 4 player dot red, right? Yeah, but like we introduced before, we can get rid of this part because Xcode can infer the data type of that from the constructor of this guy. Okay, command B. Yeah, so this one is yellows dot yellow. Yeah, command B. So here how can we handle this one? Fitting color. What we can do is, if piece dot player fitting color here is dot. Oh, okay, so we can do something like that fitting color data type is an as color, not coder, color equals if piece dot player, right, is same as connect for player dot red, then is red. Otherwise, it's dot yellow, like that. If you like, you can put a parenthesis here. This is the condition, and this dot red is not same as this dot red. This dot red is ns color dot red. Yeah. So if I put the complete thing here, it's like that. Be careful. This dot red is the color. This dot red is logical thing. It means the red player. Red player. Okay. Now we can put this guy here, like that. Command B. Yeah, it compiles. So if we run it, everything will be the same. Okay. Now let's create our game engine. Okay. The model object, auto struct, model struct, new file. Yeah, it will be a struct. So connect for engine or game or board. Let's just use the board to represent the game engine. Okay, so let's put it under the piece. Okay, so struct this one, connect for board. So inside the board we'll have our piece box, right? Pieces box, which the data type is an array of connect for piece, this one. And let's make it empty, and let's create our init board. Oh, there's nothing to init in chess game, right? In chess we need to initialize like the board with 32 pieces, but here the connect for at the beginning, right, before any player drops the first piece is empty. Okay, cool. And let's create a method, right, to drop a piece. Okay, so func drop piece at, something like that, or just drop piece at. Okay, piece at location colon int. Do we need the row? No, right? Because the row is not what the player can control, right? You cannot say you want to drop a piece like here. It has to go, right? The piece has to go to the bottom, right? Over the existing top piece. Yeah. Turn. So how do we do that? Let's keep it simple, right? For this video. So we'll assume it's the first one. So you will drop onto the bottom one. And so it's like piece box dot append. Let's create a new one. Connect for piece. So column is our column. Row will be 0, right? The first one always touch the bottom. Yeah, always touches the bottom. Player drop a piece at. That's hard coded, this one, for enter dot red. Okay, so that's hard coded, this one. Oh, what happened? Oh, remember, by default the function, any function inside the struct is immutable. Now we change the state, so it has to be mutating. Yeah. Okay, so how can we test that? And Now let's go back to this. Let's clean up the existing piece. So the shadow piece box will follow the main piece box in our connect 4 board, this one. So go to our view controller and okay, so yeah, we need to test the, there's two ways to test, right? And one way is we can create a test file here inside the this bundle, which is not part of our app. Another way is we can just try it here in the view controller. So let's create a variable representing the game board here. So it's like var connect 4 board, the data type. Yeah, we don't need the data type because Xcode can infer from this constructor connect 4 board like that. Okay, so do any additional setup. Okay, yeah, that's what we want to do, right? Connect the 4 board dot dropPieceAt, let's say let's drop at the middle. Okay, 0 1 2 3 colon 3. So without that, that's coming out. Run it. Yeah, it's empty. So with it, oh, what happened? Oh, because we haven't updated our view. This is the model thing, right? This is the model thing. It's a logical concept. Now we need to control drag, hold on option key and click main storyboard. Yeah, so we need to control drag this board view onto here. Let's put it under line 12. Okay, control drag, put it here. Yeah, release board view. Yeah, this is a good name, board view. That's our naming convention, right? Starting from lowercase, then every new word we capitalize the first letter. Okay, connect. We can do this, and now let's synchronize the board views. Shadow piece box, right? We update that with our main piece box. That's it. Run it. It should be okay. Yeah, this guy, right? So let's double check with like a different color. So for example, oh, never mind. So let's change this to 2. Rerun. Yeah, very good. So if you like, so conceptually we can put like board view dot, yeah, force a repaint. But here set needs display invalidate. Can we put a new here? No, it's not allowed. So let's put a board view. I think the data type is an NSREG. Okay, so let's use that dot bounds. Yeah. It will redraw the whole board view. Okay, cool. That's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.